For your service experience at Carter Subaru, we are exercising an abundance of caution, and your safety is our priority. We have created a simple, almost touch-free experience for our service guests. Our greeters will greet you while maintaining the social distance recommended. When you arrive, we have a special envelope to hold your key. We also fully sanitize touch points on your vehicle upon arrival for the benefit of our employees. Then again before it's provided back to you. We use the same process with our courtesy vehicles, sanitizing touch points before and after every use. Your safety is paramount to Carter Subaru. Inside our advisor area, our advisors are wearing masks with plexiglass dividers. Our customer lounge seating area has been arranged for social distancing, and we have plexiglass dividers in our reception area. We have taken a proactive measure and hired a professional sanitation company to clean our entire dealership. They use a CDC-approved process, EPA-approved Vericide, and the same product is used to clean high touchpoint areas throughout the dealership. When your vehicle is ready, the valet will return your keys untouched to your vehicle dashboard. Our goal is to provide you with a safe, pleasant experience during your service. Enjoy our virtually touch-free experience, courtesy of Carter Subaru. Safety-focused, community-connected.